Kubota began mass-producing construction machinery in 1974. Today, we have grown to become the world's largest manufacturer of compact construction machinery. Mini excavators, produced at Kubota's Hirakata plant in Japan, are delivered around the world. Welding work is performed combining state-of-the-art welding robots with the skills of experienced welders to achieve superior quality. Coating work is also increasingly automated using robots. For machinery assembly, continuous improvement of various processes, together with ongoing training of production line workers to refine their skills, ensures precision product assembly. Finished products are rigorously inspected under the strictest standards before being shipped to customers. The Global Institute of Technology was established in 2022. Engineers from around the world work together to develop new products and cutting-edge technologies. Going beyond product technologies, they also carry out materials research and a wide range of analyses to greatly streamline research and development of core technologies. Active communication among the various departments enables innovation on a global scale. In addition to strengthening our IoT and ICT technologies and implementing them in our products and solutions, we are also accelerating the development of products and technologies that contribute to carbon neutrality. Kubota construction machinery is making a difference across Asia. In countries like Indonesia and Malaysia, which supply the world with palm oil, Kubota machinery is used for maintenance work on harvesting paths and drainage systems to support sustainable palm oil plantations. In Singapore, a small island country but also a global metropolis, the advantages of compact construction equipment are fully utilized when construction time and space are limited. For the construction of common utility ducts, to lay underground fiber optic cables and power lines that sustain an IoT-driven society, as well as the development of parks and improvement of drainage systems that support living environments. And for housing-related construction, Kubota mini excavators play a vital role. In Thailand, Kubota machinery is used not only for urban development, but also for farmland cultivation and irrigation work, supporting a stable food supply for people around the globe. In India, where there is an urgent need for housing construction to support a growing population, the building of a new large-scale urban society is underway on underutilized land. To construct underground parking lots for high-rise apartment buildings in large cities, and for foundation work for single-family homes in mountainous areas, highly maneuverable mini excavators are widely used. In Japan, where the construction industry faces labor shortages, state-of-the-art ICT construction machinery using digital transformation technology enables efficient, accurate construction. Today, Kubota's mini excavators continue to evolve throughout Asia and around the globe. Kubota will continue to support sustainable agriculture, the construction of vital infrastructure, and a more comfortable, living environment.